Hi, welcome to the Dream Cars. We are diving. The Hyundai i20 is a masterpiece of modern design, blending style with functionality. Its bold exterior instantly grabs attention with a sporty yet elegant stance. The front fascia features a striking black cascading grille flanked by sharp LED projector headlamps and stylish LED DRLs. These elements not only enhance visibility but also add a touch of aggression to its design. Moving to the side, the Hyundai i20 boasts aerodynamic lines that flow seamlessly. From the hood to the rear, its 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels and a chrome-finished window line add a premium touch, while the muscular wheel arches give it a sporty edge. At the rear, the Z-shaped LED tail lamp stand out, connected by a sleek reflector strip that spans across the width of the car. The dual-tone bumper and roof spoiler with integrated stop lamp complete its dynamic look. Every curve in detail of the Hyundai i20 is crafted to impress, making it a head-turner on any road. Interior features. The interior of the Hyundai i20 redefines modern luxury in its segment. The premium dual-tone dashboard features a sleek horizontal design that feels both elegant and spacious. Soft touch materials and a leather-wrapped steering wheel give it a refined finish. The spacious cabin is equipped with plush seats ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, with ample legroom and headroom in both the front and rear. Every passenger enjoys a premium experience. For added convenience, the rear seats come with a 60/40 split for flexible storage. At the center of innovation is the massive 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, offering seamless smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Bose premium sound system ensures an immersive audio experience perfect for every journey. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving information with crystal clear graphics. Features like cruise control, climate control, and wireless charging elevate the driving experience. Storage is never an issue, with multiple cup holders, a cooled glove box, and a spacious boot to fit all your essentials. And don't forget the ambient lighting, which sets the perfect mood for night drives. Backside features. Now let's talk about the Hyundai i20 sporty rear design. The Z-shaped LED tail lamps are the standout feature, connected by a sleek reflector strip that adds width and elegance to the car stands. The integrated roof spoiler not only enhances aerodynamics but also features an LED stop lamp for added safety. Below, the dual-tone bumper with sharp lines and reflectors adds to its dynamic and aggressive look. Open the tailgate and you'll find a spacious boot with 311 liters of capacity, perfect for your weekend getaways or daily commutes. The low-loading lip ensures ease of access, making it practical for all your needs. The Hyundai i20 is a car that combines style, comfort, and technology, making it the perfect companion for urban drives and long journeys alike. With its premium interiors and dynamic rear design, it truly stands out in its segment. Please subscribe to our channel Dream Cars.